Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Teleport Medallion in Tears of the Kingdom. First, ensure you have unlocked the Pura Pad's Sensor Plus ability by completing Robbie's initial quests. This is a crucial prerequisite for starting the Medallion quest. Next, make your way to the Akala Ancient Tech Lab, which is situated in the game's northeastern region. Once there, find Robbie inside the lab and initiate a conversation with him to begin your journey. After speaking with Robbie, he will give you a new task, retrieving a prototype. He'll direct you to a specific location on your map where this valuable item is hidden. Make sure to follow the quest marker carefully to reach the designated area without getting lost. Be prepared for potential challenges, as the prototype might be guarded by enemies. Defeat them to safely secure the item and continue your quest. Once you have successfully retrieved the prototype, head back to the Hatino Ancient Tech Lab. Robbie will be eagerly awaiting your return. Present him with the prototype you found, and he will then use it to craft your very first Teleport Medallion. With this incredible device, you gain the power to place a fast travel point almost anywhere on your map, offering unparalleled convenience for your adventures. To use your new Teleport Medallion, simply access it from your Key Items menu and deploy it at your desired location. This creates a custom fast travel point you can return to anytime. Remember, Robbie can also upgrade your Pura Pad, allowing you to hold and deploy up to 3 medallions simultaneously, greatly expanding your travel options. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.